So I just washed the car, used DIY details, all clean at 15:1. Staying this trim for some reason. The other trim, absolutely nothing, perfectly fine. Everything else on the car, perfectly fine. And I really did enjoy using that product. But for some reason, over here, left all these stains. So, some rubbing alcohol and some water, 1:1. Spray it on the towel a little. And let's just try and work that out. Just was out of power, and I want to get this done. I want to share this process with y'all. All right, I'm gonna go get the solution finish ready. Give one more inspection. Might have to hit this actually one more time. All right, I got my applicator. It's got my outer fiber little applicator. I used this to apply a ceramic coating. I didn't want to toss it. I washed it immediately. I personally don't feel anything on there that can scratch, but I'm still going to be safe. And now I'm just going to repurpose it for applying solution finish to the trim. Now I did this side, and this side I did not do yet. Just thought maybe it's hard to see it in the camera, but this is definitely deeper, darker. So we'll just go ahead and when using the solution finish, make sure you really shake up that bottle vigorously. I mean, it's extremely important. Now getting it up there, not a problem. It's all going to wipe off nice and easy. So grab my wipe off towel. Got a little on the window, a little up there, all gone. And it's better than new. Looks great. Oh, never mind. There's a little spot right there. I may have missed that during the clean process. I didn't scrub hard enough or something. But either way, I definitely enjoy that applicator sponge. Almost feels like it has like that same material that's in like that diapers are made out of as a barrier, but honestly, it works great at keeping all the product right there, so it's not just getting absorbed into the applicator. Sorry about that.